hello.
Hi,
My name is Tom.
my name is Maria. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good, thanks. Where are you from?
I am from Spain. And you?
I am from Canada. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here now. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here too. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it. It is nice.
I agree. The city is beautiful. Do you work?
Yes, I work in a school. I am a teacher.
Oh, that is nice. I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English. It is difficult.
Yes, English is difficult, but it is good.
Do you speak Spanish?
Yes, Spanish is my language. Do you speak French?
Yes, a little. French is my first language.
That is interesting.
Do you have family here?
No, my family is in Spain. Do you have family here?
Yes, my parents live here. I have one sister.
That is nice. I have two brothers.
Are they in Spain?
Yes, they are in Spain.
Do you miss them?
Yes, I miss them, but I call them.
That is good. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like it. Do you want coffee now?
Yes, that is a good idea.
There is a cafe near here. It is very good.
Great. Is it far?
No, it is close. 5 minutes.
Perfect. Let's go.
Okay. Do you like this weather?
Yes, it is sunny today. I like sun.
Me too. In Spain, is it hot?
Yes, very hot in summer.
Here, it is cold in winter.
Yes, I know. I don't like cold.
Do you have a coat?
Yes, I have a warm coat.
That is good. Winter is coming.
Yes, in 2 months.
Here is the cafe. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it. It looks nice.
What do you want? Coffee? Tea?
I want a coffee, please.
Black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please. And you?
I want tea today. Green tea.
Green tea is healthy.
Yes, I like it. Do you want food?
Maybe a cookie. Do they have cookies?
Yes, they have good cookies here.
Perfect. I love cookies.
Me too. Chocolate cookies are my favorite.
I like all cookies.
Let's sit here. Is this table okay?
Yes, this is perfect.
The coffee is hot. Be careful.
Thank you. It is good.
I'm glad you like it. My tea is good too.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every week. Sometimes 2 times.
It is a nice place.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like reading. Do you?
Yes, I like books. I also like music.
What music do you like?
I like rock music. And you?
I like pop music and jazz.
Jazz is very nice. Do you play music?
No, I don't play, but I listen every day.
I play guitar, just a little.
That is cool. Is it difficult?
Yes, it is hard, but it is fun.
Maybe you can teach me.
Sure, that would be nice.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Lucy.
Cats are cute. I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max. He is big.
I like dogs too. How old is Max?
He is 3 years old.
That is young. Lucy is 5 years old.
Do you have pictures?
Yes, on my phone. Look.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Thank you. Do you have pictures of Max?
Yes, here. This is Max.
Wow, he is big and cute.
Thank you. I love him.
Pets are family.
Yes, I agree. They are important.
What do you do on weekends?
I read, walk Max, see friends. And you?
I study, play guitar, watch movies.
What movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedies.
I like comedies too. They are funny.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, not every day.
Me neither. I prefer books.
Books are better, I think.
What book are you reading now?
A mystery book. It is exciting.
I like mystery books too.
We have similar interests.
Yes, that is nice. We can be friends.
Yes, I would like that.
Do you want to meet again?
Yes, when?
Next week? Same day, same time?
Perfect. Here again?
Yes, or we can go to the park.
The park is good. I can bring Max.
Great idea. I can bring Lucy too.
They can meet.
Yes, it will be fun.
What time is good?
3 o'clock?
Yes, 3 o'clock is perfect.
Okay, I need to go now.
Me too. I have work tomorrow.
It was nice to meet you, Maria.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
See you next week.
Yes. See you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.